Welcome back to Sadler of Nails. For this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do this really pretty rainbow pearly design. I'm starting off with a white-ish base. It's not white, it's called Loyal. I guess it's a little bit of grayish to this. So I did do 2 coats. This is the second coat right there. Cured both coats, obviously. And then I'm coming in with this pearly white. It is a builder gel because this is the only like pearly white polish that I have. If you have it in a polish, I would suggest that, but I'm just using this because this is what I have. So I am trying to put down a thin layer of it, but this is a builder gel, so bear with me here. You can see how thick this is. So once you put down your base, you're not going to cure yet. So I'm going to put this down, and then I'm going to come in with these other pearly colors that I have from Madam Glam. I'm going to have all the colors listed in the description, and I am just placing these very lightly on top of the uncured pearly base, and I am just applying these in random spots, but also making sure to put colors together that blend well and that do not make brown. So for example, I'm going to put down the orange beside the pink and try to keep it away from the purple because purple and orange make brown. So just keep in mind when you're using colors, what colors they make when they blend together. This is just, I've had some sets turn out pretty ugly when in my mind I was like, they were supposed to look so beautiful. And it's because like the colors mixed together and yeah, made a really ugly color. So I don't have a blue pearl, so I'm trying to make one here by mixing seashell, and it's just a blue glass gel polish. So I'm just mixing those together and then placing it on top. You do have to mix it with the pearl. I tried just putting like the glass gel on it and it really did not blend nicely, so that's why I mixed it with the pearl first. And then now you use a dotting tool to just swirl it all together, and then it makes this really awesome like cool pearly rainbow design. And you obviously just keep mixing or swirling it around until you like it, and then cure it in place. So here I'm just swirling a little bit more spots together, and then I cured it, and now we're putting down a no wipe glossy top coat. I have not done this with a matte top coat, so I'm actually curious to know what it would look like. So maybe I'll put a matte over top later and see how it looks. Anyways, you can do that on your own. So after we've applied the top coat, you cure it, and then that's the design. It is so fast and so easy. I hope you like this. Here's the whole set. Please like and subscribe, and have a wonderful day.